am I the only one who didn't know this?
If a hand grenade suddenly falls at your feet, what should you do?
No, I didn't mean hand grenade. I meant a beginner can make $8,500. Keep watching, it only takes 3 steps, and step number 3 will be 99% done for you.
To maximize your chances of survival, many people's first instinct is to quickly pick it up and throw it away, but this operation is not so easy to accomplish
Well, let me know why you are watching this video.
in reality. For example, during World War II, the most produced type of grenade was the Mark II. When the enemy pulls the pin and throws the grenade, the fuse is ignited, starting a 4-second
It sounds too technical, but I'm still watching and I hope you are watching too. So step number 1, use AI to make a content that people keep watching until the end.
countdown. By the time it lands at your feet, there may only be around 1 second left. Trying to pick it up and throw it to a safe distance within such
You are dead. What should you do? That is step number 2. Don't listen to your haters and naysayers. Publish your video on social media sites like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
a short time frame is nearly impossible. If you immediately rush out upon discovering the grenade and then
Wait, let's make money first. In step number 3, you should get an expert to make an automated funnel for you. This funnel should be automatically selling high-ticket affiliate offers on your behalf. And when your video viewers purchase from you, you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions.
lie down on the ground. As a normal person, you can easily cover a distance of 4 to 5 meters in 1 to 2 seconds.
Well, this is how to protect yourself, and this is how to protect yourself from poverty. Now, you might be asking how this kind of videos can make you money. This video got 38 million views, so I asked ChatGPT if only 1% of the viewers purchase a $1 product, how much would be the total affiliate commission for the video creator? The answer is not $8,500. It's $190,000. But since you are not promoting $1 product, you will earn much more than that. And if you want to learn why our beginner students just like you love our program because it's 99% done for you, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.